Hi, we're in Bratislava, the capital city of Slovakia. Formerly Czechoslovakia, they separated, so we're right here at the Bratislava Castle behind.
This place is about an hour outside of Vienna by train, so it's actually pretty easy to get here. They have trains running once every hour.
Cool thing about the trains in Europe is that you don't need a passport to go within all the countries. Very convenient. There's Rena, and there's the UFO bridge right there. Kind of cool. That's the Danube River that runs all the way to Vienna right here.